Have you ever wondered how your thoughts can impact your mental health? Did you know that simply shifting your mindset to a more positive one can have a remarkable impact on your overall well-being and life satisfaction? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating realm of positive thinking and uncover the profound impact it can have on every aspect of your life. Our minds are incredibly powerful tools, capable of shaping our reality in ways we often underestimate. Think of your thoughts as artists, painting the canvas of your life. These thoughts can color your world with vibrant hues of joy, peace, and fulfillment. On the contrary, negative thoughts can cast shadows of doubt, fear, and anxiety. This is not just poetic expression but a psychological reality confirmed by countless studies. Emotions, our behaviors, and indeed our overall mental health are deeply interconnected with the kind of thoughts we entertain. The power of positive thinking lies in its ability to mold our perception, turning challenges into opportunities and problems into potential solutions. The journey of positive thinking is not about ignoring the negative aspects of life but rather about approaching them in a more constructive and optimistic way. Let us explore the connection between your mind and body. Did you know how you think can affect how you feel? The concept of the mind-body connection is not a new one. Ancient philosophies and traditional medicine have long held the belief that our thoughts and emotions can influence our physical health. But it's only in recent decades that science has begun to catch up with this wisdom, providing evidence that our mental state can indeed have tangible effects on our physical well-being. So, what exactly is the mind-body connection? It's the idea that our thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and attitudes can positively or negatively affect our biological functioning. In other words, our minds can impact the health of our bodies, and vice versa. This connection is seen in the way stress can lead to physical symptoms like headaches or high blood pressure, or how chronic conditions can lead to mental health issues like depression. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the role of positive thinking in this equation. Positive thinking is not about ignoring life's problems in favor of a rosy outlook. Instead, it's about approaching these difficulties in a more productive and hopeful way. You anticipate the best, not the worst. When we cultivate a positive mindset, it can lead to a healthier mental state. This happens because positive thinking helps to combat stress and reduce the physical symptoms that come with it. It can even boost your overall life expectancy. It's like a domino effect. A healthier mind leads to a healthier body, which in turn promotes a healthier mind, and so on. But how does this work? It's actually quite interesting and fascinating. It's all about the chemicals in your brain. Positive thoughts help to produce neurochemical changes that bring about better mood, lower stress levels, and even improved immune function. So it's not just a feel-good philosophy, it's backed by science. By harnessing the power of positive thinking, you can improve your mental health significantly. And remember, it's not just about living longer, but living better, with a healthier mind and body, ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. Cultivating positive thinking is a skill that can be learned and honed. Now let's delve into the steps you can take to foster this mindset. First off, you must practice gratitude and make it a continuous part of your daily life. It's an age-old wisdom that has stood the test of time for a reason. Make it a daily habit to identify and appreciate the good in your life, no matter how small. It can be as simple as the warmth of the sun on your skin, a good book you've read, or the smile of a loved one. By consciously acknowledging these positive aspects, you're training your brain to focus on the good, thereby fostering a more optimistic outlook. Next, focus on the good things. In life, challenges and setbacks are inevitable. However, it's important to remember that these are just a part of the journey, not the whole picture. When faced with difficulties, try to find the positive aspects or the lessons that can be learned. This isn't about denying reality, but about choosing to see the silver lining, which can make the journey a little lighter. Now let's talk about another essential element of positive thinking, which is positive affirmations. It is an extremely powerful tool that can help reshape your thought patterns. By regularly using affirmations, you're essentially programming your mind to believe in the positive statements you're making. It's essential, though, to ensure that your affirmations are positive, present tense, and personal. For instance, instead of saying, "I will be confident," say, "I am confident." This helps your brain to accept the statement as a reality right now, not a future possibility. Surrounding yourself with positive people is another crucial step. The company you keep can greatly influence your mindset. People who radiate positivity encourage and inspire you to do the same. They can uplift your spirits, motivate you, and help you maintain a positive outlook. So, make an effort to spend time with those who nourish your mind and soul with positivity. Finally, it's important to remember that cultivating positive thinking is not about ignoring the negative or pretending that everything is perfect. It's about choosing to focus on the positive despite the negative. It's about making the conscious decision to be optimistic, to believe in yourself, and to expect good things to happen. There's a saying that goes, "You can't live a positive life with a negative mind." This is absolutely true. By practicing gratitude, focusing on the good, using positive affirmations, and surrounding yourself with positive people, you're taking the first steps towards a more positive life. And remember, cultivating positivity is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process that requires persistence and commitment. It's about changing your thought patterns little by little until positivity becomes a part of who you are. Remember, positive thinking is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, consistent changes to your thinking patterns. Despite our best efforts, sometimes negative thoughts can creep in. But that doesn't mean you're failing. In fact, it's a normal part of the human experience to have a mix of positive and negative thoughts. The key lies not in eliminating negative thinking entirely, but in learning how to manage it effectively. One common challenge to keeping a positive outlook is the presence of automatic negative thoughts, or ANTs. These are the thoughts that pop up unbidden, often based on past experiences or fears about the future. They can be difficult to control, but the first step to doing so is recognition. Acknowledge these ANTs when they appear, and then challenge them. Ask yourself, are they based on facts, or are they simply products of your imagination? By questioning these thoughts, you can begin to diminish their power over you. Another obstacle to positive thinking is the habit of dwelling on past mistakes or worrying about future problems. This is where practicing mindfulness can be incredibly beneficial. Mindfulness is all about staying in the present moment, being aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's not about emptying your mind, but rather about focusing on the here and now. When you find yourself ruminating on past mistakes, gently bring your focus back to the present. Similarly, if you catch yourself worrying about the future, remind yourself that you are here, in this moment. And that's all that matters right now. And finally, if you're finding it increasingly difficult to maintain a positive mindset, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Therapists and psychologists are trained to help you navigate the complexities of your mind, and they can provide you with tools and techniques to manage your thoughts more effectively. Overcoming these challenges may be difficult, but remember, every step you take towards positive thinking is a step towards better mental health. So keep going and don't lose sight of the progress you're making. So what are the tangible benefits of positive thinking on your mental health? Let's dive right into it. Positive thinking has a profound impact on our mental health, shaping our daily experiences and overall life trajectory. The first benefit that comes to mind is reduced stress levels. When we adopt a positive mindset, we are better equipped to handle stressful situations, making them less daunting and more manageable. We can see the silver lining in the clouds, and this perspective helps diminish the negative impact of stress on our mental health. Next up, positive thinking significantly improves our mood. This is not just about plastering a smile on your face, it's about genuinely feeling good inside. Positive thoughts encourage the production of endorphins, also known as the feel-good hormones. These hormones uplift our mood, make us feel happier, and contribute to a sense of overall well-being. Then there's resilience. Life is a roller coaster ride with its fair share of ups and downs. Positive thinking fosters resilience, helping us bounce back from adversities. It strengthens our ability to face life's challenges and recover from setbacks. This resilience in turn shields our mental health from the potential harm that these difficulties could cause. Lastly, positive thinking promotes better overall mental well-being. It is a powerful tool that helps us maintain a balanced perspective on life. It encourages us to focus on our strengths rather than our weaknesses, on opportunities rather than obstacles. This shift in focus leads to a healthier mental state, fostering self-confidence and self-esteem. In conclusion, the benefits of positive thinking extend far beyond a cheerful disposition. It's a protective shield, a mood booster, a resilience builder, and a key to better mental well-being. By practicing positive thinking, not only can you boost your mental health, but you can also improve your overall quality of life. That concludes our journey on the power of positive thinking. If you found this video helpful and want more content like this, subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the notification bell. By subscribing, you're not only supporting us but also joining a community of like-minded individuals, all on a journey to foster positivity and improve their mental health. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.